My name's Josh Berry. I'm the owner of Freedom Contractors here in Parker, Colorado. Today we're going to be taking you through a maintenance-free deck build that we did with our commercial-grade galvanized steel framing, powder-coated aluminum railing, and our premium Decorators Voyage decking. Hope you enjoy. If you are interested in checking out our company or getting a bid for a project, our information will be linked in the description at the bottom of the video. Please don't hesitate to give us a call. We will get right back to you and set an appointment to take a look at your project and get you some pricing. Thanks again and hope you enjoy. From bottom to top, we use diamond piers instead of traditional concrete footings. Diamond piers are about 3 to 4 times as strong as a traditional concrete footing. They can also be installed much quicker and with less mess. So we get in and out off the job site faster than we would have before, and you get a structure that's going to last longer and be more structurally stable. We use a combination of either wood, galvanized steel framing, or Fortress powder-coated steel framing in all of our decks, just depending on what fits your budget best. This deck is made with galvanized steel framing. This is a commercial grade product. It's going to last for a lifetime and will require zero maintenance from the end consumer. We use Decorators Voyage decking. This decking is extremely long-lasting, high-quality product. It has about twice as much traction as any other composite decking product on the market. It will stay roughly 10 to 12 degrees cooler than other composite decking products. It is completely waterproof and it's the only product that is warranted in contact with the ground and water. Just a fantastic product overall, something that you can trust for 25 to 30 years at least. In addition to that, we use powder-coated railing on all of our projects. This is a powder-coated aluminum railing from Preferred Railing, and this is kind of our mid-grade offering. Very, very high-quality product, lifetime warranty, powder coating, very strong, durable finish, and something that is going to last for a very long time, again, with zero maintenance.